You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's learn the meaning and how to pronounce what is generally just referred to as, at least in English, Lamborghini SVJ, right? What's the meaning of it? Well, it means SV is for super veloce. Super veloce, that's Italian, meaning obviously super fast, so it's not veloci, veloce. Now, the J is from Spanish, and it's pronounced Jota. It's a bit unclear what it is, but it used to be some racing cars, essentially, that were just called Jota, made by Lamborghini back in the 70s, I believe. So Jota. So you got super veloce Jota. That's how you say it. Super veloce Jota. So in English you can say it as super veloce Jota. Yeah, I know. Or just say SVJ, I guess. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.